Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny K, and I'm back with another product review for you here today. We are at the 1A Auto website, and we are looking at a set of taillights for my 2017 Toyota Tundra Crew Max and Limited trim. So we're just going to dive right in here. Yes, these are currently installed on my truck. They've been installed on my truck for almost 2 years now. No, I'm not being compensated or sponsored by 1A Auto or any of their affiliates to review this product. If that changes in the future, I will let everybody know. Okay, so the reason why you're probably viewing this video is you might have interest in upgrading your taillights to a different look. Maybe you like something that's smoked. Maybe you like the LED style. Maybe you want something, you know, that's got a bit of a more abnormal type of feel and take to it. You're definitely going to get that with these. I absolutely fell in love with the design, and I think that you'll like it even more once you see these things light up at night, because they're really sweet looking. Let me just say that. They're just really sweet. All right. So we're going to go ahead and go through some photos here. I do apologize. I don't know of a way to actually blow these up like I usually would in my other videos. But I think you can kind of get the gist of what we're looking at here. So right off the bat here in this photo, you'll see that you've got your various wiring to power the LEDs once they're hooked up to the vehicle itself. Don't let these worry you at all. You don't have to splice or cut any wires or anything like that. These taillights legitimately are plug and play, and it should be very, very simple. At least it was for me. Like I said, it has been 2 years, so I don't remember exactly how the install went, but I usually remember if there was any type of hiccup that I ran into with any of the products that I have. I don't recall anything like that, so we're going to take that as a positive sign and just kind of take my word that it's a very, very simple install. Okay, so you have your various connectors here. It's all pretty simple. You will see it that it is truly a plug and play, set it and forget it type of design. Okay, so some basic part details here. Again, you're dealing with your LED. It does have a black housing. You do get 2 tail lights included, and then you have your smoked lens color, and then I guess if you care, this is considered their performance product line. Don't really see that really suiting anyone any purpose, but it is what it is. Again, direct fit, no vehicle or wiring modifications. It is, according to the website, it is DOT, SAE, and FMVSS compliant. What wouldn't be a bad idea is in your area to look up what your state or what your county regulations are on having smoked taillights. I think you're probably going to be okay, but it's never a bad idea just to be 100% sure before you spend your hard-earned money. Okay. Also, these some of these taillight and headlights that are sold through 1A Auto, they come with test bulbs. If your assemblies do come with test bulbs, just make sure you swap out the old one or the test bulbs with the bulbs that you already had. I don't think this, again, I don't remember if this applies to these specifically, because these are all LED and they utilize the LED features with the lights themselves. Don't quote me 100% on this. There potentially might be a bulb or two that you have to swap out, and if that's the case, that's fine. Just take it out of the old housing and you'll be good to go. Okay. Let's go over some vehicle fitment here. Toyota Tundra 2014 to 2020. Simple as that, right? And then you got your part numbers here if anyone cares about that. All right, so let's get down to the reviews here. I'm not going to blow up that picture because somebody's license plate is in it, and I don't want to be the one to be exposing that type of information. You know, addressing this review here, and to be honest, these reviews were also here when I made this purchase. So again, a couple years ago now. I don't know why these wouldn't fit a 2018 1794. I don't know if the factory tail light setup is different from a 2017 Limited, but whatever problem that this person had, I absolutely did not have that problem. And then you do have your customer service reaching out to try to make it right with this person. So, oh, you know what? That reminds me. Let's go back up here really quick. Warranty. There you go. Right here. Lifetime warranty. Very simple. If you have anything that is wrong with this tail light, wiring comes undone, lights go out, or something happens, just call customer service and they will make it right. Whether that means they send you a replacement part or just give you a full reimbursement or whatever. I don't know. I don't work for them. I don't know how they do business, but I do know 100% that 1A Auto has good people there. So rest assured that you got great customer service with this company. Okay. This was probably my biggest concern, was this review right here saying that this guy was blowing out fuses with these taillights. So I just took a risk and got them anyway. I even had a conversation with them about this, and I referred to this review, and they assured me, they said, that's whatever happened there, that's an isolated incident. You absolutely should not have that issue with these taillights. And I said, all right, good enough for me. And again, they assured me, they said you can always return them or you can, go with a different option. So I took that as good enough for me, and I purchased them, and I haven't looked back since. Okay. And then down here, you've got more of the more positive reviews. Okay. And then we get down to our Q&A. So if anyone wants to reference any of this, you can just visit the 1A Auto website. Okay. So I think this now leads us into part 2, where we are going to go out to the truck. We're going to turn on the tail lights so that way everyone can see what they look like, and just kind of take it from there. All right, so we'll be right back. All right, welcome to part 2 of our review of the LED style smoked taillights from 1A Auto. So we're going to get some views of with them turned off right now, just so you can get kind of a basic idea of how they look. I did wipe them off a little bit. One of these days I am going to actually wash my truck. I just don't know when. So, all right, let's go ahead and open up the tailgate. So, very simple concept when it comes to removing these. So you've got a star screw here, or a torque screw, and then usually there is a torque screw up here, but for some reason when I tried to put the torque screw back in, it just wouldn't fit. So I just modded it to where I was able to get a Phillips head screw to work just fine. So you got one there, or two there, excuse me, and then on the other side got your torques down there, got your torques up here. So you remove those, and then you will want to pull first straight out towards you, and then the taillight will lift free. Okay, very simple, very easy. And I wish it was that simple. Oops, my bad. I wish doing the tail lights, or not the tail lights, the headlights, I wish it were that easy, but unfortunately it's not. So let's go ahead and start her up. Alright, so truck's fired up. We've got our hazard lights turned on, and we do have our, let's see if we can see that, I do it? Can I do it? There we go. Headlights are on. Okay, so we've got some marker lights on the side here. We've got these LED strips here lighting up in red, and then we got our flasher slash, or your hazard slash turn signal. Same thing over here. You got the blinking hazard or turn signal. Then you got your actual tail light and brake lights there. And then you got your markers over here. And then I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that these other ones do light up in the event of like when you reverse and things like that. But this should be enough to at least give you a general idea. Okay. And then yeah, you do have that bulb in there, so that will be something you have to swap out, and on this side as well. So there we go. There's a confirmation that I believe there is one bulb that you want to swap out from your factory housing. Okay, simple enough. Good. So let's go ahead and turn headlights back to auto. Let's turn off those. Cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's going to go ahead and wrap this one up. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the content. There is definitely much more. Sorry, I was checking. I thought I had a screw in the tire, but no, just a rock. There's definitely going to be a lot more to come. You know what? Let's just turn off the truck now. There we go. I have a video that I'm going to be coming out with. It'll just be like a update style video. There are some things that are working out great, and there are some things that are not working out so great. So the video will be kind of addressing that. So at this point in time, if you want to contribute to my channel, obviously comment, liking, and subscribing is definitely a way to do it. I also use Buy Me a Coffee if you want to make a donation. I also have an Etsy shop, and the links to those will be in the description of this video, as well as in the About section on my channel itself. Okay. So other than that, I guess it's just signing off for now until the next one. Hope everyone has a great day. We'll see y'all later.